We are back here at the Fiesta Plaza in Movie Town. This is Flavours at Fiesta with me, Cup of Joe. And I just want to show you guys this because a few years ago we celebrated 200 episodes on CCN TV6 and we did this cookbook. This cookbook led to one of the more popular segments on the show that we started called Buy Local, Cook Local. Buy Local, Cook Local presented a host of artisans, local artisans that created their own products, Myron, and bottled it, take time to bottle it and present it on the local market. This lady that we have on set this evening is none other than Lee Herbert, and she is the lady behind a brand of honey called Herbwai Honey.
Herbwai Honey.
Herbwai Honey. Welcome, Jolie.
Thank you so much, Joanne.
Thanks for joining
It's
us
good to be
tonight.
here.
So, do you remember this?
Of course I do.
So, Jolie did a recipe on the show that made the cookbook. It was then called a Herbwai Honey salad.
Yes.
And I think I'm seeing more salad tonight.
Correct.
You're doing more salad for us tonight?
Yes. I went with that because I believe our guest here
Yes.
loves the salads.
Yes.
And where I am at present, we do a lot of growing our own stuff, which is organic. And I barter with my neighbors. So what I've done is gotten some stuff from them and brought it here today.
So what do you have there for us? Because we've seen colorful
Well,
stuff.
it's really simple. It's nothing fancy. It's watercress, cucumbers, tomatoes, avocado, and I have a garnish here which is called butterfly pea, which is very high in antioxidants. It's on a vine, and it's going to double as a garnish and as a tea.
That's edible?
It's edible.
Have you ever eaten a purple flower?
I've never seen it before.
Would you like to try one, Joel?
That's edible.
It's edible.
Bring it, man.
Man, you eat it first.
A purple flower. Butterfly pea.
Should we put some honey on this?
No, you have to take it just
You have to
like
take it
that.
just like that?
Cheers. A little sweeter than hibiscus.
But it has hibiscus notes. I think I'm thinking hibiscus wine or something like that when I'm tasting.
Possibly,
Possibly?
yes. Yeah.
All right. What are you doing for us tonight, Julie?
Well, what I'm going to do is make a dressing with the honey. So we're going to start off with...
So tell me a little bit about your honey as you make this dressing.
Okay. This one is from Savannah Grand, which is South Central Trinidad.
Yeah.
And of course, you would have to... You know, some people say, oh, the darker honey is better, the lighter honey is better. But I have to tell you, it all depends on what the bees feed on. Will give it its hue and flavor or taste, right? So don't go away with what's better, what's this, what color, anything like that.
Right.
Don't choose a honey because of its color.
So sometimes you see a honey. I mean, I don't know. You eat a lot of honey, Myra?
All the time.
So when you see a honey and you see a light honey,
Yes.
some people say that honey are good.
They say it's...
It all
They
depends
dilute it
on
and all
what.
that.
Yeah, they say that it's
Correct.
diluted.
No, because okay, say like when you cook, right?
Yeah.
You cook a curry, let's say. You use the saffron powder, you use the curry powder, you have the duck,
Yeah.
that seasoning. It will look different and taste different,
Right.
right? So I'm going to add to my honey some balsamic vinegar, a little shadon beni here.
Shadon beni.
Shadow Benny goes in everything, eh?
Yeah.
Shadon beni goes
Shadow
with
Benny goes in
everything.
everything.
Yeah. A little salt
Honey, balsamic.
and a little black pepper.
So it's like a vinaigrette, a honey vinaigrette.
It's a honey vinegar.
A honey vinaigrette.
Vinaigrette, correct. Now you could also add, if you like, a little bit of pepper sauce to make it a little more spicy, or a little bit of garlic, right? But I figure we'll just leave out the garlic for now.
For now, okay, yeah.
Right, so just whisk this up, and we're just gonna, I'll put it across here for you guys to.
Yeah.
Right.
That's way too much vegetables for me.
That's just enough. Man.
Right, so
Way too much vegetables for
you wanna
me.
take that?
Right.
That's a lot of vegetables there, Myra.
Relax now, man. Good stuff. Good stuff. Let's see, I'll get a little bit of the... This is organic watercress.
Yes.
All right. I'm taking a little flour too.
So Julie,
Yes.
I mean, one of the things I think with Julie, you see the honey bottle. It's an entire process that you guys do. You go from bees
start to finish.
From start to finish. Tell us a little bit about that entire process. As you mine bees, you literally take care of the bees.
Yes, I do. So first of all, you have to have your bees in their hives. You have to take care of them. There is a season for honey season, just like everything else that you have. Tomatoes are in season, everything like that. Honey as well has a season. When you see it rains, bees cannot fly, so there's no collection of pollen.
Right.
Right? So you have to have your apiary always well kept. When it's time for extraction, you go in there. Of course, you suit up.
And you suit up, Julie.
Yes.
You go in.
Yes.
You go in.
Yes.
Ever got bitten by bees?
Of course, I get stung.
Serious?
It's what you're gonna do?
Yeah.
It's part of the
job,
process,
part of the goods,
right?
part of the goods.
And actually, from the start to now, you tell yourself, okay, you got stung. Let's see how fast that'll go down, right? And I mean, it's no big thing. There's no big thing. The only thing is, it's a pity that they die after this thing.
After this thing.
Right? So after that, you take your honey we have a honey room, and you go through a number of processes. I do have a clip online on YouTube that you could go and see.
Yeah.
Where I invite you into the honey room, and you could actually see me uncapping the frame and everything like that.
Yeah.
So you can see from start to finish.
So do you plant like special flowers for your bees to forage?
Well, most of the beekeepers in Trinidad, I would say, they would have their hives in forested areas. And it will be approved really by your officer when he goes to your place to see what sort of plants you have for them to feed on. They have a 5-mile radius. So once a hive is here, they could go 5 miles anywhere and come right back home.
Right. Yeah.
That's
All right.
beautiful.
So give him some of your honey dressing.
Let me get
this
in.
a
Yeah,
little bit?
man.
Yeah.
Wait. Let me
While
get into
Myron
this here.
continues his tasting expedition tonight here, guys, buy local, cook local. I remember when we started this segment on the show, I told my wife Merla at the time, I said, well, how many of these people they have? I don't think we could fulfill a segment every single week with local artisans. And I remember we doing this segment, different artisans. It's all in the cookbook. We have quite a few showcased in the cookbook every week for at least 2 to 3 seasons on the show. There are a lot of local artisans, guys. Look out for them. There are a lot in the local markets. Check them out. Buy local, cook local. Wherever you're looking at, support your local artisans. It's really, really important. Jolie, continue doing the fantastic work you're doing.
You're
Congratulations. Look out for Herbwai Honey. Why the name Herbwai?
Herbwai is a combination of my surname, Herbert, and Y is the ping name from my father's ancestry.
Right. So Herbwai.
What I'm going to do too is make it that tea.
You're going to make this tea
Yes.
first. When you make that tea for us, we'll get that tea when we come back from this short break. It's Flavours at Fiesta here. We are live at the movie town of Fiesta Plaza, and it's happening right here on Friday night.